Have you ever imagined a parrot causing chaos in a home? One day, a frantic call reached the fire brigade about a feathered alarm clock disturbing the peace. The firefighters arrived, puzzled by the unusual request. To their surprise, they found a vibrant parrot squawking loudly, mimicking every ringtone it had heard. The homeowner, unaware of the feisty bird's antics, thought their alarm clock was broken. With laughter echoing through the room, the firefighters managed to capture the avian culprit. This light-hearted rescue transformed a hectic morning into an unforgettable tale, reminding everyone that sometimes the most peculiar situations emerge when odd requests become life's little adventures.